KB Max integrates seamlessly with Salesforce CPQ to help manufacturers sell complex, built-to-order products faster. KB Max is an omni-channel solution that can also be branded for external websites. Their rules engine Snap is built to handle manufacturers' most complex engineering rules with robust functionality for your most experienced developers. At the same time, it's easy for anyone to set up or modify. Just snap your rules together, no coding required. Customers, dealers, and sales reps can then quickly customize a product based on their specific requirements, down to any level of detail with visualization. KB Max automatically adjusts to only let the customer configure what's possible to manufacture. Pricing and quoting that's handled by Salesforce CPQ helps to streamline sales and drive growth. And with CAD automation, you'll reduce errors while accelerating manufacturing processes. Cut sheets are ready immediately with a bill of materials that's automatically generated based on the product configuration. Help your customers configure, price, and quote complex products in real time with KB Max and Salesforce CPQ.